How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video on the Homebuilt channel, and as you can see, the Micra's back in the workshop.
Not only is the Micra back, but the workshop looks completely different now as well, because if you've seen the last video, we decided to have a quick clean up, a quick wee touch up of paint, and it turned into a sort of 3-day makeover. But we've got a load of finishing touches still to do, so we're not going to focus too much attention on it at the moment. One of the main things we need to get done is this Micra, because the rally's fast approaching, isn't it, Jelly?
Yeah, the rally's coming very soon, and this thing's still got a load of issues like sticky calipers, and we've got a couple of secrets for it.
Yeah, we've got a couple of real nice secrets. One of them you're going to find it today. We've got an announcement to make about a new channel supporter, and they've sent us something completely awesome for the Micra. I can't wait to put them on.
Yeah.
What else have we got? We've got the new calipers that Paul and his grandson gave us.
Yeah, so we're going to fit them.
The stock car driver.
We're going to paint the back drums, make it look a little bit better.
Yeah.
And, well, look at it. It's meant to be a race car, but I think it still looks a bit simple, like a road car, and I think we can do more to it. So
definitely,
I think we're going to be experimenting with that.
Yeah, a few experiments, loads of bits and bobs to get done. But first things first, let's get the brakes done on it. And we've also got that other present that was sent to us by John for the Veterans Rally. We need to mention that. They're cool as hell.
And the brake pads and discs for the Micra were kindly donated by AUTOPARTS.
I actually think it was Big Ian himself that gave us them. So
Big
massive
shout out to Big Ian.
Big Ian, massive shout out. We'll leave a link to his socials here. Everybody go jump on his Facebook, jump on his Instagram and say thanks Big Ian, because the Micra's going to roll again thanks to him. So let's get cracking on with the Micra, and I'll jack up the front, you jack up the back, we'll get it on axle stands and we'll start. You doing the front?
I'll do the front.
I'll clean up the rears.
You clear up the rears.
So as you can see, we've got one wall painted black, one ceiling painted black, all the white's been repainted, the floor has all been done in grey polyurethane floor paint. I'm really not looking forward to jacking up in it, but it has to be done, so let's crack on, get this Micra jacked up, and yeah, maybe by the end of this video some of the other bits will have turned up for finishing the workshop, but we'll see. Let's crack on, get some brakes done. Right guys, as always we've went a bit overboard. We're putting some new disc and pads on and some new calipers, but of course we had to get them painted, we had to sand them all down. We've painted the discs, we've also painted the drums, so they're nice and fresh looking. Floor's well and truly christened now.
It's a bit dirty.
It is getting dirty. It is a workshop, there's nothing else we can do about it. Oh man, I can't wait to show you what I'm looking at now. But first of all, we need to get these brakes and everything finished. But while Charlie's doing that, I need a job to do. So obviously the little Micra is themed as a little race car. You can't have a race car that doesn't make any noise. So with this being a budget banger rally, obviously we'll change this in the future. We have went down the cheapest route we can, and we have managed to pick up a little universal silencer. Would you call it? That's not even a silencer, is it? It's like
so wee funky Halford's exhaust tip thing.
It's like a cheap cherry bomb. It is baffled inside. So, but I liked it because it's got the little downturn on it.
Jump.
Yeah, I like the little jump downturn. So we're going to stick this on. We'll weld this on. Again, we will be replacing it for a full stainless system at some point. Maybe when we do the manual conversion and the engine swap, we'll put a full stainless on it of some sort. But for now, let's get this little thing tacked on. There we go, guys. It's no HKS or Mongoose exhaust, but it's welded, it's strong. It's just for a bit of fun really, but eventually this will get a full stainless steel system when we eventually do the engine swap and stuff. So for a couple of months this will be just fine. But yeah, the whole point of this is to get it ready for the car show down in Dumfries. If you guys want to come along to that, it's on the 13th of August. We'll be there with 2 cars. I think we're going to have the Jimny there and the Micra. So come along and have a look. Let's get this back under, bolted up, and some hangers welded up for it. Right guys, the little exhaust's on. I think it looks awesome. It's coming right out the factory outlet on the bumper. So nice wee downturn. Brakes are all painted. Me and Charlie have also just blade up the front brakes. So it's almost time to reveal a big surprise in this video. But first, we've got to get a shout out to John McGowan for the Veterans Rally. Right, I don't want you to skip this bit or you'll miss the big surprise. But we need to give a shout out to John and to this young lady who makes these. So, hold that, Charlie. As a thank you for helping out with the Veteran Rally, John decided to get us a little gift. And I think this young lady lives local to him. And she's 16 years old. She does a lot of karting and she funds it herself by making these. So, John thought as a thank you, it would be a nice present to send us up one of these. Check this out, it's a karting tyre made into a home built clock. I think this is by far one of the coolest things I've seen. You can buy the crappy plastic things at the shops with fake tyres and Brembo discs and everything, but this is pretty cool. It's recycled, it looks great, it's got our logo on it, it's supporting a young lassie getting through her karting career. So what he's also done is sent 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to give one to you guys. We're going to keep one for the workshop, for the nice new workshop that we've just decorated, and one of them we're going to give away to you guys. I'm going to try and work out how to do it as a free raffle if I can, so you can go on, put your name down for a ticket, it won't cost you anything, it'll be a free raffle, and that way it's fair. It'll get drawn out a hat and then the winner will get one of these. So yeah, massive thank you to John for purchasing these and sending them up to us. They're really cool. And a massive thank you to Catherine who does these. I'm going to put a link, she's on here, Retired by Catherine. So I'm going to find her on Etsy. She's on Facebook and Instagram as well. I'm going to put links in the bottom of the description for all of her stuff. And yeah, when I figure out how to do a free raffle on one of these will be up for grabs for you guys. So massive thanks, John, cool as anything. Massive thanks to Catherine, well done for making them, they're really cool. So now it's time to let you in on the big surprise. Now, as you can see, we've done all the brakes, we've bled them up, we haven't put the wheels back on. I love these wheels. We went all the way to Coventry for these wheels because they're period correct for the car. I thought they were cool and they really suited it. But they're buckled and it's horrible, isn't it? You hit 60 mile an hour and so we needed new wheels. So what we done, we reached out to one of the biggest companies in the UK that do wheels. We told them about the Veterans Rally and they were more than happy to support us. So we need to give a massive shout out and a massive thank you to Team Dynamics Racing. Team Dynamics do loads of cool stuff and they're probably most well known for British touring cars. And me and Charlie have been a fan of British touring cars, as you've seen in the pictures, from a very early age, where me and Charlie, Katie, Rhiann, we all got a picture taken with Matt Neal. We've been in their garage, in the Honda garage, and just really cool times, eh?
Yeah.
Back then, did you ever think we'd be working with Team Dynamics on something like this?
So I was saying that to Dad earlier, like I remember getting my first touring car ticket for Christmas, going getting a picture of Matt Neal, and back then I'd never thought I'd be working with him, but here we are today.
This is what they've sent us. These are super cool. These are the latest wheels.
Brand new. We don't usually get brand new wheels.
We never get brand new stuff.
But
Charlie, uncover it. Oh, look at them. Guys, these are the Team Dynamics Pro Race lights. They're their brand new wheel. These are super light. You couldn't believe how light these are, could you?
No, they're a bit heavier with tyres, but
Yeah,
still light.
yeah, they're heavier with tyres, but you could pick one up, throw it up and down, and
No, you chucked me one
chucked one
across,
at you.
and I almost dropped it. So
Yeah, there is some footage of us putting the tyres on them, which I'll insert here. So yeah, we got the tyres fitted, being super careful not to mark the rims. We have already had a wee cheeky test fit just to make sure that they were alright.
yeah, because they sent the wrong offset that Dad asked for,
Yeah,
but they actually fit really well.
I'd initially asked for 25 offset and they sent the 35. And I'm actually glad they did, because the front, if you'd put 35s on the front, they wouldn't have fitted.
25s.
Sorry, 25s, yeah. If you put 25s on the front, they'd have been rubbing, scrubbing, and
No good.
not the best. But you're probably wondering as well why the anthracite grey. That's another secret. You're going to have to stay tuned for that. We think it's going to look cool. There's a vision. There's a lot more happening to the Micra, so you're going to have to stay tuned. But let's fire these wheels on and have a look at what it looks like and see how good it'll drive
we'll
now.
get the wheels on, we'll get it off the ground, and we'll hear but the new exhaust.
Exhaust. Now we've not even started it yet, so let's get the wheels on, get it down.
Yeah, we started it after chopping the black box off,
Yeah.
but we've not started it with a new muffler thing on it. So
No.
we'll get
So-
the wheels on, get it down, and we'll check that.
Yeah, I can't wait to just try it going up the motorway and see if we can do 70 without getting a death rattle.
Yeah, and there's no sticky calipers, so we'll
Exactly.
be able to roll at 70.
I might get some fuel economy. The CVT box might actually be alright. It was maybe just jammed from brakes, ruining it all the time. But enough waffle, let's fire some wheels on.
Need the snare back because I don't want to get scratching.
Check out the new wheels. How good do these look? Obviously it's hard to see in here, but the fitment on the front is perfect. I think I'm going to get a wee 10-15 mil spacer for the back.
20.
20 maybe. But in order to see it properly we need to get it outside. And that means we have to start it with its new exhaust on, so
Well, we could roll it outside, but
Charlie, do the honours. Let's see what this sounds like. It's still got a resonator on it, so it shouldn't be too bad.
really?
I'm ready.
Really?
You ready? Oh! Oh no, that's the heat shield at the front.
No, I know that.
That sounds good.
That heat shield is annoying.
Yeah, that heat shield's really annoying, but that exhaust sounds alright.
Is there any flames?
Right, Charlie, take it out so we can get a look at it. Brake's working, yeah? Nah, this looks mega. This looks super cool. See, once we get the rest of the grey on it, once the rest of the anthracite. That sounds quite cool. That's that sounds alright.
Oh yeah! That's quite good.
It's not even mega drony or anything. I think that sounds alright.
Yeah. I like that.
Guys, don't spend a fortune. Right guys, don't spend a fortune on exhaust. Spend $17.99 on eBay, I'll send you a link to it.
It's a good exhaust.
That sounds good. When it's a manual, that'll sound even better.
Yeah.
Right, that'll do. Because it's not even hot yet.
Oh! Oh, plenty of fuel.
Yeah, there's fuel in it, But it's not up to temperature
Oh,
yet.
no, it's still cold.
Yes. They do that in Poland.
Yeah.
I've seen Night Ride do that. Just start a car up and red light it. Oh, I'm well chuffed with how the days went. It looks cool.
The wheels look good inside as well, eh?
Yeah, it looks mega. I'm well happy with that. Right.
So much better than with that than just without the back box.
Yeah. Right, let's get packed up. And then we can take it home and see what it's like. We'll test it on the motorway and see if that wobbles away. Go on, turn it off, let's get packed up and let's get out of here. The floor's well and truly christened now. It's officially dirty again. It stayed clean for what, a week?
No, no, you're not.
Yeah.
It got dirty, we never even let it dry.
Do you know what? It is a workshop, so we have to
It looks fine.
we have to appreciate that it's going to get dirty. So yeah, guys, we're going to finish cleaning up. Ignore all the fiberglass parts down there. They're for something else that you'll see another time. And again, for this video, we need to get a massive shout out to so many people. We need to get a massive shout out to me for ordering that exhaust off of eBay, because that's the best thing I've ever bought. We need to get a massive shout out to the young lady who does the carton that made the tyres. Links in the description for her stuff. I'm going to leave it all in there. Massive thanks to John for sending them up in the first place, and a huge shout out to Team Dynamics for supplying the wheels.
Yeah.
They look mega. So
really good.
yeah.
Hopefully, maybe. I'd like to get our own custom white pair. That'd be cool for the micro, but
Maybe I can
a
have a
bit of
conversation.
a far ask.
Maybe we can have a conversation with them.
Yeah.
Or maybe they'll give us another set that we could powder coat white ourselves. We'll see. We'll see. But for now, the micro looks great. Actually, we've not put the Team Dynamics sticker on the back yet, so we'll go and do that. You'll see it on Instagram in some pictures. And the micro's not finished. That's just the beginning. There's more to come. So guys, remember, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. The links to everything's in the description. The links to the raffles in there as well. So if you want to win the K11 gun, go and get stuck into that. Get some tickets while they're 2 for 1. And Charlie's going to go and fit a sticker. Have it.